Yeah, you guys can see my screen. If yes, give me a thumbs up. Soumya, are you taking people in?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm clearing my own drawing. Wait. Okay, welcome to the class, everyone. Can you all see my screen? So give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much, Habib, Zainab Kausar, Soumya Didi, Shifa, Basharat, Sohail Samir, Khushi, Sabba. Thank you so much, guys. Amazing. Good job, Gaurav. All right. Okay, so all of you can see my screen. Amazing. I hope we are, so these are the norms of our class. Okay. We are going to keep our cameras on at all times. We are going to keep ourselves on mute until you have a question. You can raise your hand, or if you want to give an answer, you can raise your hand, type it in the chat box, give me a thumbs up so that I can come to you. We can chat, okay, whatever answers. Whenever I ask you to give me an answer, you have to privately text D. Okay, you don't have to text everyone. You have to privately text Arzu Didi. Okay. Hi Shahid, it's so good to see you, Baba. Okay. Raise your hand in case you have a question. Okay. You're going to give me a thumbs up every time I ask you for it, and you can clap every time you think that somebody has given a right answer, someone has given a nice answer. Miss Bud, do you want to say anything? You've raised your hand. Yes, I'm unmuting you. Tell me.
Didi, I will text you the answer if you said to me, because in this headphone voice can't go to you. I can only hear. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Amazing. Will do. Thank you. All right. So these are the norms of our class. We'll quickly move on. Okay. All right. Be ready with your notebook and pen. Okay. We've already started the recording, right? Okay. Guys, what we are going to do now is you're going to quickly take 3 minutes to write down when was the first time you saw a rainbow and what came to your mind, okay, of how do you think it was formed. Okay, so what you're going to write is the first time you saw a rainbow in your entire life and how do you think it was formed. Okay, be very genuine with your answer, write a very honest answer. In the next 2 minutes, you are going to quickly write down. This is writing time for you guys. Your time starts now. First time you saw a rainbow and how do you think it was formed? पहली बार जब तुमने कभी रेनबो देखा था और तुमको जब भी वो रेनबो देखा था तो क्या लगा कि कैसे ये रेनबो बना है? That you have to write down in your notebook. You have 2 minutes to do so. Your time starts now. Yes, Huzaif. Yes, Huzaif.
Didi, in football match.
Huzaif, write down. What does write down mean, Huzaif? Thank you, Huzaif. Can you quickly write this down? In English, you have to write it. At least take 3 or 4 lines to write this down. Fatima, you're going to start writing. Didi has her eyes on you. Okay? Take 3 lines. Okay, Gaurav, if you've forgotten when was the first time you saw it, can you remember the last time you saw it? And can you write that down? Any time that you saw it. Good job, Muskan, Vivek, Habib. I can see you guys writing. Good job, Misbah, Huzaif. पहली time जब rainbow देखा था. And what do you think? How was it formed? So here, Samir, you're going to write this down. I'm waiting for you to write this down. Okay? All right, in the next 30 seconds, we are going to come back and share in the large group when was the first time that we saw a rainbow and how do we think it was formed. Okay, good job, Huzef. Huzef is already done. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you're done so Didi knows that most of us are done, okay? For the ones who are sitting together, you give a thumbs up when both of you are ready, okay? Shifa, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Joseph. Thank you so much, Misbah. Thank you so much, Shifa. Yeah. Thank you so much, Talib. Thank you so much, Bashara. Good job. Good job, Gulshan and Krishna. Thank you so much, Kullu. The rest of you, if you have a doubt, raise your hand or you can ask your doubt in the chat box. Thank you so much, Zainab Kaushar. Okay.
Ferdinand Vivek, you're in class. You need to pay attention.
Thank you so much, Talib. Thank you so much, Habib. Waiting for a few more. Thank you so much, Alfia. Waiting for two more. Two more, guys, quickly. Two more answers. Okay. One more. Vivek, quickly. Done? Okay. All right. Fardeen and Vivek are done too. Amazing. Good job, guys. Okay. So does anybody want to share when was the first time they saw a rainbow and how do they think it was formed? Yes, Zainab Kaushar? Yes, Zainab. Unmute yourself and share. Zainab, I can't hear you, Baba. Can't hear you, Zainab.
Didi, in summer I saw it because I was putting the water on the wall now. The sunlight was coming and then it was formed on the wall.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay. Thank you so much, Zainab. We'll take two more responses. Guys, you want to share the first time you saw a rainbow? Yes, Talib, you are equally funny, Baba. Okay, Mantasha has shared. I'll share her response. I saw a rainbow in Pune that was made of sun and rain came together. All right, thank you so much for sharing. The last one, Talib, you've raised your hand. You want to share when was the first time? Unmute yourself.
I was in my home and my friend called me that let's go. There were a rainbow. It was very beautiful. I think I was good. It was good.
How do you think it was made?
It was made by sun and water.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing, Talib. Good job, guys. You've written really well. Okay, now for the rest who I couldn't answer, please send it to me in the chat box or on WhatsApp and I will read it. Okay, we'll quickly move on. Okay, now since you saw this video, remember Didi had sent this video to you guys? Yeah? Okay. What are the three new things that you learned about the rainbow from this video? What were the three new things that you didn't know and that you learned? पहले कभी पता ही नहीं था and you learned this new thing. Yes, Sohail Sameer. I'm going to unmute you. Yes, Sohail Sameer.
टीचर वो जो बोला ना पानी में कांच रख के वो नहीं मालूम वो नहीं मालूम था और वो 7 कलर उसके कैसे बनते हम लोग सोचते थे जो गाड़ी का पेट्रोल देते हैं ना वो गिरता उससे रेनबो बनता हम लोग ऐसा सोचते थे.
ओके या सो वी यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट वो पेट्रोल जो नीचे गिरता है उससे शायद रेनबो बनता है बट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द glass or water. Okay, anybody else who wants to share? I think you guys are also typing something in the chat box. Let me go through it. Okay, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing, Saba and Muskan. Guys, one more fact. Yes, Shifa. One more fact that you learned that you didn't know. Soumya, someone is trying to join in. Can you please take them in?
Yes,
Yes,
Shifa.
Shifa.
I have admitted everyone.
When prism we take glass and mirror, put water, और जब हम लोग ग्लास में पानी और कांच डालेंगे और उस पर टॉर्च मारते तो जिससे वो लाइट से रेनबो बनता है, वैसे ही आसमान में भी जब पानी की बूंद और बारिश साथ में होती है तब रेनबो आते हैं.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. Good job, Shifa. Guys, I know that you guys are comfortable with Hindi language, but since this is an English class, we'll try to speak in English. Tuta futa, jaisa bhi. Didi wants you to try and speak in English. All right? Okay. Mantasha, I'm going to unmute you. You've raised your hand. Can you quickly share what is another fact that you learned? Gullu, you are supposed to sit in your classroom. Oh, Gullu is already showing something. Yes, Gullu. Yes,
दीदी
Gullu.
शीट एंड रेनबो से ऐसा राइट एंड कांच की बॉटल इसको ऐसा करे तो रेनबो बनता है.
Yes, good job. Thank you so much for sharing, Gullu. I like how you're trying to experiment with your light and the glass. Okay, let me know how the rainbow looks. Good job, guys. I'm so happy that everybody knows what was there in the video. Let's quickly move on. Okay, today we are going to do two things. We are going to learn two things today. We will be able to first of all describe the events at the beginning, middle and end of the story. Guys, this is something that we have done in our previous classes also. Okay, how does a story look like? What is there in the beginning? What is there in the middle? And what is there at the end? Okay, and the second objective is we will be able to identify the kinds of nouns in the text. Okay, these are the two objectives that we are looking at. Okay, now first of all, I wanted to ask you that what are the questions that you will ask when you're looking at the beginning of story? Guys, I've written it on the slide. What is the question that you ask? What is the question that you ask when you are at the beginning of story? Didi always asks you these two questions. Raise your hand or sorry. Where is my slide going? No. Sorry, guys. Okay, Zainab Kausar has raised her hand. I want someone else to answer who has not even answered even once. Okay, I'm unmuting you. Fardeen, what are the two questions that Didi always asks you at the beginning of the story? It's also mentioned on the
Starting to story.
PPT. Good job, Saba. Fardeen, it's there on the PPT. What are the two questions that Didi asks at the beginning? Story के start में कौन से दो question दीदी हमेशा पूछते हैं? Try to remember, Fardeen. It's there on the screen as well.
स्क्रीन पे देख लेता हूँ. हाँ देखने पता.
I'll come. Look at the screen, try to think, and I will come back to you. Saba, you are right. Since Saba is already the first one to share the answer, it is right. Who are the characters and what is the setting? In the beginning of the story, these are the two things that you have to keep in mind. Story के starting में आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि character कौन है story में और story कहाँ पे हो रही है. What is the setting? Okay. The next, middle. स्टोरी के बीच में हम लोग क्या जानने की कोशिश करेंगे? What are we trying to know? In the beginning, we are looking at characters and setting of where the story is taking place. In the middle, Habib, what are we trying to look at?
Just problems and the
Okay.
जैसे कि जो miss happening on the story.
Good job. Can you mute yourself? Habib, you've done a good job. Maruf, I saw you raise your hand, so I'm just going to unmute you so that you can answer. Maruf. Yes, Maruf. I've unmuted you. Go ahead. Unmute yourself and answer.
मिस हबीब ने बोल दिया.
Habib ne bol diya. Yes, correct. Okay, what is okay? Thank you so much, Maruf.
What's
I'm
happening?
happy that you are attentive. Okay, so what is happening in the middle of the story? Problem क्या है exactly? हो क्या रहा है story में? And the last one, guys. And the last one.
Ending.
Ending. Okay, what is there in the ending?
How did the character solve the problem?
How did the character solve the problem? Yes, correct. Good job. How did the character? Yes. So how did the character solve the problem and how did the character change? तो character ने कैसे अपना problem को solve किया? That we will write in the end. Okay, so this is how the story is made. A story will always have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Okay, we'll quickly move on to looking at the story. Okay, so today we are going to read Rainbow Visits the Village. Okay, till the time Didi opens the story for you guys, what are we going to do, guys? Quickly take 1 minute to write this down. This is what you have to observe in the story. Okay, first is the noun and its type, its kind. Second, characters. Third, setting. Fourth, problem exactly क्या है ये story में. And the last is how did the characters try to solve the problem. Quickly take 1 minute, write this checklist down in your book. Your time starts now. Talib, you're going to focus on writing down this rather than sending us emojis. Okay, we'll do that later. Good job, guys. I can see all of you are writing. Sohail Samir has a doubt. Yes, Sohail Samir. Yes.
टीचर अभी मैं दुकान पे बैठा हूँ, अम्मी घर की सफाई कर रहे ना, तो इसके लिए मैं बुक नहीं लाया हूँ, अब्बा ऊपर है, तो मैं बाद में लिख लूंगा बुक लेके किसी से.
So you will have to किसी को आपको कॉल करके स्क्रीनशॉट भेजने बोलना पड़ेगा. ओके?
हाँ मिस, हाँ ओके.
But right now pay attention.
हाँ मिस.
Thank you. Please mute yourself. Yes, Sahil Yaqub. Quickly write this down. If you're done, give me a thumbs up so Didi knows you're done. Yes, Fatima.
टीचर इसको लिखने का है.
Yes, Fatima. You have to write this down. So that when you read the story, you keep all of these things in your mind. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Please mute yourself.
हाथ हटा दे दीदी, बोलो mute yourself.
Fatima, mute yourself.
Yes, yes.
Okay, amazing. Muskan is done. Shifa is done. Talib, we just have to write this in our book. Then when we read the story, तभी आपको ये सारी चीजें दिमाग में रखनी है कि कौन कैरेक्टर है, स्टोरी कहाँ पे हो रही है, what is the problem in the story, how did the character solve the story, all of that. But for that you have to write this down in your book. Okay, I can see most of you are done writing. Give Didi 2 seconds. Didi
Oh, 1 minute. Iram has just come now. Iram, Zoya, join on time. Okay, next time, please, Baba. You guys will miss a lot. Okay, Iram. Sorry, Arzu.
That's okay. Guys, Iram and Zoya, what we are going to do now is we are going to read a story and you will try to identify the nouns in the story. Okay? Who are the characters? The main setting of the story. What is the problem in the story and what is the solution? Okay, I'm trying to open the story. Give me a second, guys. It's taking thoda time. I'm going to stop screen sharing. I know those of you are done. Amazing. Give Didi a second. Didi is trying to open your book. Okay, it's done. Amazing. I'm going to share the story with you now. Guys, everybody, you're going to sit in your smart position. Alfia, that's not your smart position. Okay. If you can see my screen, you're going to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Alfia. Thank you so much, Shahid. Thank you so much, Krishna, Gulshan, Mahima. Thank you so much, Shavista, Vansasha. Thank you, guys. Okay. We'll start reading now. Okay. Talib, you cannot see. Soumya, can you see my
Yes,
screen?
yes, yes. The screen is there. Must be some problem with his internet.
Okay. Talib, leave करके वापस join करने की try करो. Okay. All right, guys. One of you who's going to read this loud for everybody in loud teacher voice. Raise your hand. Fardeen. Yes, Fardeen. You raised your hand. Bolo. Read.
My name is Koboli. I live in a small village.
Amazing. Thank you so much for reading that loud. My name is Koboli. I live in a small village. Guys, please identify what I had asked you to identify. Can you see a character here? Can you see a setting here? Can you see a noun here? If you can, quickly write that down in your book. I'm giving you 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. Character, setting of where this is happening, where is this story taking place, and a noun. 30 seconds, your time starts now. If you're done, give me a thumbs up. Shahid, can you see my screen? Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Amazing.
टीचर जो पहले आपने टीचर भेजे थे वो टीचर मेरा आधा ही हुआ.
Okay, it's okay, शाहिद. मैं वापस और एक बार बताऊंगी वो. Okay. All right. Shifa is done. Sabha, you just have to identify the character, the setting, and noun in this passage, in these two lines. Okay. All right. Didi should move on. आगे बढ़े. All right. Okay. I don't know what's happening.
What happened?
Yes, Maru, give me a second. I don't know my screen. Yeah. Okay, who wants to read? Yes, Maru, go ahead. Yeah. Yes, Maru. Hello? Who wants? You want to read, Maruf?
No.
Okay, please mute yourself. Yes, Shifa, start reading. Loud teacher voice.
I was out picking fruits when I saw something I had never seen before.
Okay, thank you so much. I was out picking fruits when I saw something that I had never seen before. Can you see a character here? Can you see a setting here? Can you see a noun here? If yes, quickly write that down in your notebook. Fardeen and Vivek, are you writing things down? Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate how Afreen, Gullu, Iram Zoya, Misbah, Zainab, Fatima and Zara, Sahil Yaqub, Basharat, Muskan, everybody is writing it down. Good job, guys. Okay. Next. Let me know when I should move. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Gullu, you have raised your hand. Mahima, you have raised your hand. You guys want to read? Okay. Yes, Mahima. Yes, Mahima. I am going to show you the next screen. Okay. Go ahead, Mahima.
There was colorful light in the sky.
Okay, there were colorful lines in the sky. All right. Gullu, you're going to read this one for us. Okay, I'm giving you. Wait.
Didi,
Yeah.
they were colorful line. May I drop all the fruit and run to tell people at home.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, now guys, can you see a character? Can you see a setting? Can you see a noun? If yes, quickly write that down in your notebook. I dropped all the fruit and ran to tell people at home. Take 20 seconds and quickly write this down. If you're done, give me a thumbs up so that I know you are done. Okay. Next, I'm going to ask Muskan to read. Yes, Muskan. Give it a second, it will load, okay?
People were standing outside surprised.
Okay, thank you so much, Muskan. People were standing outside surprised. Okay. Can you see a noun? Can you see a character? Can you see a setting? If yes, quickly write that down. Habib, ho gaya likh ke? Shahid, are you done writing? Krishna and Gulshan, are you guys writing? Okay, the next one. Who wants to read this? I'm going to ask Krishna to quickly unmute himself and read this for everyone. Loud teacher voice. Yes, go ahead, Krishna.
I said happily, it is a beautiful sheet hanging from the sky. No, I think someone is pouring paint from the sky. And you said,
okay, amazing. Thank you so much, Krishna. Please mute yourself. I said happily, it is a beautiful sheet hanging from the sky. No, I think someone is pouring paint from the sky. Nino said, guys, can you see characters here? Can you see setting here? Can you see any noun here? If yes, quickly write that down in your notebook. Gullu, you have already read once. Okay, now we'll take a pause here and I am going to answer some of your doubts. Okay, you guys, some of you are looking really confused. So I'm just gonna pause here and I'm going to answer your doubts. Yes. Okay, how many of you are having doubts? You can raise your hand, I will come to you. How many of you understood what we are doing in this passage? Okay, I think only Misbah has a doubt. Fatima and Zara have a doubt too. Okay, Misbah, what's happening? Yes, Misbah.
See, I don't understand anything. I get confused. You said na what are the nouns? Who is the character? I get confused.
Okay, amazing. Do you guys know who is a character? Character कौन होता है? कौन होता है character? Zara, you raised your hand. I'm going to give you answer.
Zara बोल कौन होता है character?
दीदी person.
Yes, any person that's there in the passage is a character. Okay? Who's the main character? Who's the main character, Vivek? Who's the main character?
I am don't understand what will I write.
Okay, you don't understand what you write only. Okay, that's a different thing. Who's the main character? Fardeen, who are the main characters? Main character कौन होता है story में? Didi has explained you this. Who's the main character? कोई भी होता है main character? Yes, Maruf. Who's the main character?
जिसके ऊपर स्टोरी लिखी हो
Very good.
और
Very good.
और जो स्टोरी में सबसे पहला
Amazing. जो स्टोरी में सबसे मेन कैरेक्टर होता है जिसके ऊपर स्टोरी लिखी होती है जो स्टोरी में पहले आता है. ओके, तो इसको बोलते हैं कैरेक्टर्स. अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि देयर इज अ विलेज एंड देयर इज अ नीनो, द बॉय नेम नीनो इन अ विलेज, so which is the main character here? Zainab Kausar. Wow, so many of you are raising hands. Yes, Zainab Kausar. If I'm saying there is a village and there is a little boy named Nino, who's the main character here?
Mino.
Nino. Amazing. What is the setting of the story? Yes, Abhi. Aniket, sit properly.
The main character in the story को बोला and the setting of the story in village.
Good job. Okay, good job. That's the correct answer. You said that there is a main character को बोला and there is the setting of the story जहाँ पे story take place हो रही है, that is a small village. Okay, so far तुम लोग को समझ गया कि character कैसे ढूंढते हैं, setting कैसे ढूंढते हैं. Misbah, is your doubt clear? That's all we were doing. We were reading the passage और हम देख रहे थे वहाँ पे कोई कैरेक्टर्स है या नहीं, या फिर कोई सेटिंग मेंशन की गई है कि नहीं. So far, how many characters were we able to identify? कितने कैरेक्टर्स आपको दिखे स्टोरी के अंदर? Okay, good job, Vivo 1724. I think that's Shahid. Good job, Shahid. The answer is correct, guys. Personal, give me in personal chat.
That is
Send
not
it to me in
Shahid.
personal chat.
Vivo 1724
That's not
is someone.
Shahid. Who's Vivo 1724? Guys, please rename yourself, okay? Faizan. Okay, hi Faizan. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Gullu, that's the correct answer. Misbah, that's the correct answer. Muskan, that's the correct answer. Maruf, think again, think again. Sure. Now what Didi will do, Didi will take you quickly through the start, from the start till the end of the story. Didi will quickly take you through. Now count the characters. Now look at the settings. And now look at the nouns. Proper noun and common noun. How many of you remember Didi had taught you proper noun and common noun? What is a proper noun? What is a proper noun? Yes, Gullu knows, Huzef knows. Okay. Does anybody? Zaid Momin, I'm going to unmute you. Can you tell everybody what is a proper noun? Yes, Zaid Momin. Proper noun क्या होता है?
Noun means a specific thing. And दीदी कॉमन मीन्स कॉमन थिंग, जैसे एक ही चीज बहुत सारी होती है, जैसे आई एम बॉय, बॉय तो बहुत सारे, माय नेम इज जेड, जेड तो मेरा नाम है ना, सबका अलग अलग नाम है, तो जेड प्रॉपर हो गया बॉय।
Good job, Zed. So, any name, place, animal, thing is a proper noun. A common noun is boys, girls. Okay, it's not specific. Okay, it's common. उसको बोलते हैं common noun. So you know now two types of nouns. You know what is the character. You know what is the setting. Now, Misbah, are you comfortable going back to the story and finding the characters and everything? If yes, give me a thumbs up so I'll continue. Guys, all of you, give me a thumbs up. अभी समझ गया exactly हम क्या कर रहे हैं when we are looking at the story. Oh wow, so many thumbs up. Good job, Mahima, Faizan, Iram, Shahid, Gulu, Habib, Maruf, Iram and Zoya, Muskan, Krishna and Gulshan, Gulnar, Vivek, Shifa, Basharat. Good job. Shahid, good job. Thank you so much. Now we'll quickly go back to the story. हम वापस से पूरी starting से story देखेंगे. Didi will quickly read जहाँ तक हमने अभी तक किया है, and you are going to mark all the characters, the setting and nouns. Okay, now gear up, guys. We need to do this quickly. क्योंकि हमारा अभी थोड़ा टाइम वेस्ट हो गया था. ओके, बट नो प्रॉब्लम, वील कवर अप क्विकली. ओके, माय नेम इज कोबोले. आई लिव इन अ स्मॉल विलेज. टेक 2 seconds, write down the characters or the setting that you can see here. My name is Kobole. I live in a small village. Next, I was out picking fruit when I saw something. Guys, somebody is on. Uzef, please keep yourself on mute. I was out picking fruits when I saw something I had never seen before. Can you find any character here, a noun here, or any setting? If you're done, give me a thumbs up so that I move on. Basharat, stop making that face. I know Didi can always see you guys. Thank you so much, Shahid, for that thumbs up. We are going to quickly move on. Thank you so much, Jafreen, for that thumbs up. There were colorful lines in the sky. I dropped all the fruit and ran to tell people at home. Can you see any noun? Can you see any character? Can you see any setting? If you are done writing, just give me a thumbs up. Huzef, you've raised your hand. I'm coming to you. Yes, Huzef.
Didi, fruit is a noun.
Yeah, not now, Huzef. I'll ask you later. Okay, good job. Yes, you are identifying it right. I'm going to move on. Good job, guys. That means you are understanding what Didi is trying to teach you, which is good. Okay, next. People were standing outside surprised. Can you see a noun? Can you see a character? Can you see settings? If yes, quickly write that down. Okay, move on. I said happily, it is a beautiful sheet hanging from the sky. Nino said. Guys, find the character, find the setting or a noun. Quickly write that down in your notebooks and we'll move on. Krishna and Gulshan, you have raised your hand. Yes, Krishna and Gulshan. I want to mute you. Say. Krishna, don't tell now. last I will ask everybody and you have to answer at that time. So characters to okay. All the settings together. Identify. Okay. Some people agreed with me. Others thought Nino was right. We began to argue. Can you see? Now start looking at characters, setting, noun, but also what is the problem? What is happening in the story? We have come to the middle of the story. मिडिल में आए हैं तो क्वेश्चन भी चेंज हो जाएगा. अभी the question is going to be what is happening in story. Take 1 minute and quickly write this down. Shahid, next time when you come to class, please charge your phone fully. Yes, Joseph, you're going to personally send it to Didi or write it down in your notebook. What is happening in the story? What is the problem here? Some people agreed with me. Others thought Nino was right. We began to argue. More 30 seconds, guys, and we'll quickly move on. Wow, I can see everybody is writing. If you're done, give me a thumbs up so that I know that we have to move on. Good job. Yes, good job, Mahima. That's the correct answer. Good job, Shahid. Good job, Muskan. Afreen is done too. Shifa is done too. I'm waiting for others to give me a thumbs up so that we quickly move on. Yes, Shifa, that's the correct answer. Soumya, some people are trying to join.
Yes, I've added them.
Good job, Zainab. Thank you so much, Maruf. Habib is also done. Yes, Misbah, it's okay. Good job, Farzana. Yes, good, that's the correct answer. Good job, guys. So all of you got the answer, right? Okay, we'll quickly move on. A man from a far away village said, "You are all wrong." Can you see a character here? Can you see a noun here? If yes, quickly write this down or send it to me in personal chat quickly. Type it out and tell. Can you see a character here? Can you see a noun here? You can type and send it to me. You can quickly write down in your notebook. Good job, Muskan. Good job, Habib. Thank you. Your answers are right. Good job, Shahid. Good job, Mahima. Good job, Farzana. Gaurav, I haven't heard anything from you. I hope you're paying attention in classroom. Krishna and Gulshan have raised their hands. I'm coming to you, Krishna and Gulshan. Yes, Krishna and Gulshan. Yes, Krishna.
Miss, इसमें noun
है नहीं है तो okay, अगर होगा तो you have to identify. Okay. Okay, time check. It's 2:55. Thank you so much for the time check, Shifa. All right, we'll move on. We'll move ahead. Okay, we are almost towards the end. We shouted, "Tell us, what is it if we are wrong?" We shouted, "Tell us, what is it if we are wrong?" Okay, good job. Yeah, I'm moving on. You have to identify. The stranger said, "It is a rainbow. Have you never seen rainbow before?" Can you see? Can you identify a noun? Any new character? If yes, quickly type it in the chat box and send it to me or write it down in your notebook. Okay. Good job. We asked the stranger, what is a rainbow? Nino asked, is it ours? Can we keep it here? We never got any answers to our question because the man had left. Guys, did you find any solution? Did you find any solution? Is there a solution to the problem? We had a problem first in the story. Did you find the solution to the problem? Farzana has given her answer. Misbah has given her answer. Waiting for a few more to give their answers. And then I'm going to unmute everybody and we are going to share. Misbah, Farzana. Okay. Okay. A lot of you has given your answer in the group. What we are going to do is I'm going to now get back to this and we are going to share in the large group. I can see a lot of you have already raised your hand. I'm just going to quickly open screen. Yes. Okay. Now, everybody pay attention. We are going to discuss this. Who are the main characters in the text? You can personally send it to Didi or you can raise your hand and wait for Didi to give you a chance to answer. Okay? Who are the main characters in the text? Habib.
Miss, the main character in the story is Mino and Miss Kabolo.
Kobolo. Kobole. Okay?
Kobole.
Okay. The main characters, thank you so much. The main characters in the story are Nino, Kobole. Except for Nino and Kobole, is there any other character who are not main but are characters that you've written it down? Two more characters, guys, that were mentioned. Good job, guys. You are sending me in chat. Good job, Misbah, Gaurav, Faizan, Muskan. I'm going to ask someone who has not answered at all. I'm going to ask Mantasha. Two more characters that were not mentioned in the main character. One was Nino, one was Kobole. Except for that, do we have any other characters in the story? Think. Zoya, I'm coming to you next. Yes, Zoya.
Yeah.
Mantasha thinks can come, okay, with an answer. Yes, Zoya, tell me. Gullu, we will wait for our friends to answer, Baba. I'm so glad you know. Except for Nino and Kobole, वहाँ पर और कोई characters थे? Zoya, you need to pay attention in the class. Lot of you have already sent your answer in the personal chat. Does anybody want to share it in the large group with everybody? I'm going to ask. Guys, keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. Gullu, share. Yes, people can be characters. Yes. Yes, Gullu, go ahead.
Didi, and
Yeah.
send the chat box.
You have sent in the
See?
chat box. Okay. Stranger. Yes. Yes. Stranger is one.
Man, people,
Yes.
kabole,
Yes.
and strangers,
Yes. Correct.
and
Nino.
Minu.
Thank you so much, Gullu. Good job. All right. The next. Okay. What is the setting of the text? Where is this taking place? Where is the story taking place? Very easy. Very simple. Where is the story taking place? Good job, Mahima. Good job, Muskan. I'm going to ask Shabista to answer this question. Good job, Farzana. Good job, Faizan. Good job, Misbah. You guys are giving the right answer. Shabista, what is the setting of the story?
Hello.
Yes, Shabista, what is the setting of the story? Good job, Shifa, and good job, Gaurav. Good job, Gullu.
Hello.
Good job, Misbah. Yes, yes, Shabista. What is the setting of the story?
Didi, in the village.
Okay, very good. That's how you answer in the class, Shabista? What is the setting of the story?
Hello.
Yes, Shabista. Pura answer karo, baba.
The story is taken place in village.
Good job. Yes, the setting of the story is a village, or the story is taking place in a village. Good job, guys. Okay. Why were the people arguing? Why were the people fighting or arguing? Sorry. I'm going to ask Shifa to unmute herself and share. Yes. Yes, Shifa.
दीदी उसमें ये लोग आर्ग्यूमेंट इसलिए कर रहे थे कि
try and speak in English. Try and speak in English.
they are argument because one was telling they are pouring different colors, and one was telling some sheets are standing of colors.
Correct. Okay. Some were saying that the paint is being poured. The others were saying that it was actually a lot of clothes coming from above. The people are arguing is because they don't know. Okay. What they don't know, Gaurav? Good job, guys. You all are saying the right answer. They didn't know what the rainbow was basically. They never saw the rainbow. It was for the first time that they've seen the rainbow. Yes, thank you so much for giving me time checks, guys. I know what the time is, okay? All right. What did they decide to solve their problem? How did they decide to solve their problem? The last one. कैसे उन लोग ने decide किया solve problem करने का? How did they decide to solve their problem? Anybody who wants to answer this question? How did they decide to solve their problem? Okay, Gaurav has already answered. Good job. Anybody else who wants to answer? Good job. All right. Okay. Zainab Kausar, you want to share it in the large group? Yes. Yes, Zainab.
They want to keep the rainbow with them. Then they should when the sunlight comes now, they should pour the water on sunlight lightly, that it can become a rainbow.
Yeah, but how did they decide to solve their problems enough? What did they do when they couldn't understand what is a rainbow? What did they do? Who did they went and ask?
The stranger man.
The stranger man. Good job. So they planned to ask the stranger man so that the problem can be solved. Any three nouns that you could identify? Last question. Three nouns that you could identify. You can type it in the chat box or you can tell it to Didi. Three nouns that you could identify. Krishna and Gulshan, I'm going to unmute you. You have to answer. Three nouns that you could identify. Good job, Gullu. Good job, Misbah. Good job, Faizan. Krishna and Gulshan, three nouns that you could identify.
Miss Happiness.
Okay.
And the character name.
Okay.
And
One
rainbow.
more. Rainbow. Yes, good job. Okay, rainbow is what kind of a noun?
Thing.
It's a thing, right? So it's a common noun or a proper noun?
Common noun.
All right. Okay. Okay. Anybody else who wants to share three types? No? Okay. All right. So what we are going to do now is for your post work, Didi will share us the same story that we have done today. She will share it with you. And the same questions, I will share it with you. You have to write it nicely in your notebook and send a picture of your notebook to Didi. Okay? Is it clear? Samya, we can close the recording.